Welcome to Denrev Autos. Today we're diving into the Allegro Motorhome in 2025, a sleek and innovative motorhome that brings impressive qualities market. Let's explore what makes it special. Today we are excited to present the 2025 Allegro Motorhome, a sleek, innovative, and luxurious motorhome that redefines comfort and convenience in the market. Packed with state-of-the-art features and a good design, this motorhome is crafted to meet the needs of even the most discerning travelers. Let's take a closer look. This stunning Model 34 QFA motorhome with 4 slide-outs is a one-owner gem that comes equipped with most of the available options and is ready to accompany you on your next travel adventure. Built on a reliable Freightliner chassis and powered by a dependable Cummins ISB 6.7-liter 340 horsepower turbo diesel engine, this motorhome has only 49,575 miles on it. Paired with an Allison transmission, it ensures a smooth and efficient drive. Additional features include automatic hydraulic leveling, an 8-kilowatt generator, a 2,000-watt inverter, and a power patio awning with slide-topper awnings to provide extra convenience. The exterior boasts tinted windows, beautiful full-body paint, and a one-piece fiberglass roof for durability. Other practical features include dual 15,000 MTU heat pump air conditioning units, a rear ladder, a hitch for towing, all new batteries, and tires replaced just 8,000 miles ago. The motorhome also offers a central vacuum system and generous basement storage, making it a versatile option for extended travel or full-time living. The interior of this motorhome is a blend of luxury and functionality. The spacious salon area features 2 large slide-outs, creating a comfortable and inviting living space. It includes an ultra-leather sleeper sofa and a large U-shaped booth dinette that provide ample seating and sleeping accommodations. The entertainment center is equipped with 2 large DTVs, a home theater system, and an automatic satellite system, ensuring top-notch entertainment options for your travels. The driver's compartment is thoughtfully designed with full instrumentation including rear and side view monitoring, right-hand mirrors, sun shades, dual dash fans, and new power-adjustable seating for maximum comfort and convenience during long drives. The galley is a chef's dream with solid surface countertops, a custom backsplash, and beautiful cabinetry. It is equipped with stainless steel appliances, including a gas/electric 4-door refrigerator with an ice maker, a microwave, a 3-burner LP cooktop with an oven, double bowl sinks, and a pantry for added storage. These features ensure that meal preparation is both enjoyable and efficient. The private bathroom offers a spacious layout with an oversized glass-enclosed shower, a toilet, a large vanity sink area, a medicine cabinet, and a linen closet. The master bedroom suite features 2 additional slide-outs, a king-sized bed with a memory foam mattress, a rear wall wardrobe, a chest of drawers, an HD TV, and a 2-piece stacked washer and dryer, perfect for long trips or full-time living. This motorhome has been meticulously maintained with a clean Carfax report and has always been garage kept. It is smoke-free, pet-free, and boasts numerous upgrades that enhance its appeal. Located in Port Austin, Michigan, this exceptional motorhome is priced at $99,900. If you are a travel enthusiast looking for a motorhome that combines luxurious features, practicality, and affordability, this Model 34 QFA is an excellent choice. With its modern amenities and thoughtful design, it is ready to elevate your travel experiences to the next level. Don't miss the opportunity to own this remarkable motorhome. Thanks for watching Denrev Autos. Don't forget to stay tuned for more updates by clicking subscribe button and bell icon. Hit the like button and comment down about your precious thoughts, which matters to me.